Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just going to be doing a very simple and easy eyebrow routine using 3 products. So right now I'm using the Anatasia Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown. So I'm using this pencil to basically outline my brow. I love this color. It's a very neutral brown, so you don't have that harsh line when you're outlining your brow. So I'm doing that on the top and the bottom, like so. And then I'm going back and brushing through the hairs. And then I'll fill my brows in a little bit with this. And then next I'm using the Brow Blade by Urban Decay. I love this. It's a dual end brow pencil, pen, or marker. I'm using the pencil side, which is pretty waxy, to fill in my brows. And then I'm going to go in with the marker to basically do hair-like strokes in the front of my brows and at the tail. I like to do this to the tail instead of using a pencil because it can kind of have that crayon look. And then I'm going to repeating the same steps to the opposite eye. This is the left eye right here. So I did kind of make this brow a little thicker. I didn't realize it. I was actually just using my phone to do this video, but I'm just repeating the same steps, and I do feel like this brow came out a little better. So yeah, I'll just let this video play. And guys, there you have it. This is a very simple and easy brow routine. This is what I've been doing lately. Perfect for the gym, sweatproof. And lastly, I just use the Anatasia brow gel in clear to lay my brows so they're not going to go anywhere for the whole day. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content.